Gold stays shiny because it's a noble metal. Its atoms have a full outer electron shell that resists reactions with oxygen or moisture. Unlike silver or copper, gold doesn't corrode easily because its electrons are tightly bound in a stable configuration. This makes it corrosion-resistant, earning it the nickname noble. No invisible force field, just solid science. Let's zoom into gold's atoms. Imagine them packed like marbles in a jar, so tight nothing can squeeze between. That density slows tarnish down. But the real magic is its electron configuration. Gold's outer electrons form a stable passivation layer when exposed to oxygen, creating a protective barrier that prevents oxidation. This layer is invisible, but acts like armor against rust or tarnish. No other metal does this so perfectly. Gold's atomic structure is its secret to staying shiny. Unlike other metals, gold has a filled D shell in its electron configuration. This stable arrangement repels oxygen and prevents tarnish. Other metals lack this stability, making them react with air and lose their shine over time. When gold is exposed to air or moisture, something fascinating happens. Unlike silver or copper, which react with oxygen and tarnish over time, gold forms a protective layer on its surface. This isn't just a random coincidence, it's physics in action. Gold atoms are so tightly packed that they create a barrier, almost like an invisible shield. This process is called passivation, where the metal automatically forms this protective layer to stop tarnish before it starts. It's like gold has a built-in force field against rust or dulling. Gold and silver are both transition metals, but gold's electronegativity is much lower, around 2.4 compared to silver's 1.9. This means gold holds on to its electrons tighter, making it less reactive with sulfur or oxygen. Silver, with a higher oxidation state, readily bonds with sulfur, forming tarnish. Gold's stable electron structure acts like an invisible shield, blocking reactions that would otherwise dull its shine. But what happens when gold is impure? Mixing it with other metals, like copper, changes everything. Copper loves oxygen and sulfur, so alloys can tarnish over time. For example, rose gold with copper gets that warm pink hue but may darken slowly. The more copper you add, the faster it tarnishes. Even small amounts of impurities weaken gold's perfect shield, letting oxygen sneak in. That's why pure gold stays bright forever, while alloys need extra care to keep their shine. Gold's magic isn't just theory, it's used everywhere, from jewelry to electronics. Take a ring or necklace. Pure gold stays shiny for decades because its atoms lock tight like an invisible force field. But add copper, like in rose gold, and that shield weakens over time. Electronics rely on gold too. Its conductivity never fades, so it powers your devices without tarnish. That's why gold is the go-to metal when shine and performance matter most. You've probably heard that gold never tarnishes, but that's not quite true. Pure 24-karat gold stays shiny forever because its atoms form a tight, invisible shield against oxygen. But if gold is mixed with other metals, like copper and rose gold, it can darken over time, especially in high humidity or when exposed to impurities. That's why alloys need extra care, like special coatings, to maintain their glow. Pure gold? It's the ultimate non-tarnisher. Pure gold stays shiny forever, but alloys like rose gold need extra care. To keep them gleaming, clean gently with mild soap and water, no harsh chemicals. For stubborn tarnish, a soft cloth works wonders. Avoid humidity or mixing metals that weaken gold's shield. Think of it like armor. Pure gold is unbreakable, but alloys need polishing to stay strong. A little effort keeps your jewelry or electronics sparkling for years. But pure gold is rare in nature. It's usually mixed with other metals like copper or silver to make alloys like rose gold. These alloys are cheaper and stronger, but can tarnish over time if exposed to humidity or impurities. Think of it like adding a weaker metal to gold's armor. It still shines, but it needs more care to stay bright. For example, rose gold jewelry darkens faster than pure 24-karat gold because copper reacts with oxygen. That's why jewelers sometimes plate alloys with a thin layer of pure gold to protect them. Gold's shine isn't just about its color, it's how light dances on its surface. Gold atoms are packed so tightly, they reflect light perfectly, like a mirror in a funhouse that twists colors into gold. But even pure gold can lose its glow if it's mixed with other metals, like copper and rose gold. That copper reacts with oxygen over time, making the jewelry look dull. Think of it like adding a weak link to an unbreakable chain. It still holds, but needs extra care to stay strong. Gold's unmatched shine has made it a symbol of wealth, power, and beauty for millennia. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians buried pharaohs in gold to protect them in the afterlife, while kings and emperors adorned themselves with gold jewelry as a sign of status. Its durability and resistance to tarnish made it perfect for coins, crowns, and sacred objects. Even today, gold remains a global standard for value, whether in electronics, currency, or luxury goods. This enduring legacy isn't just about aesthetics. It's proof that nature has crafted something truly extraordinary. Gold's tarnish-resistant magic isn't just for rings and necklaces. It powers life-saving tech, too. In medicine, gold nanoparticles help deliver drugs straight to tumors, like microscopic treasure chests targeting cancer cells. In electronics, gold's unmatched conductivity keeps smartphones and satellites humming, even in space where no other metal dares go. NASA uses gold coatings on spacecraft to reflect extreme heat, proving that the same shine protecting pharaohs now shields astronauts. This isn't just pretty physics. It's gold turning science into superpowers. Gold's resilience isn't just about its beauty, it powers life-saving tech. From NASA spacecraft reflecting sunlight to nanoparticles targeting cancer cells, gold's shine is nature's precision engineering. Share this with someone who loves science or jewelry making.